Questions related to Indian politics. What is the political system of India? India follows a parliamentary democratic system where the president is the head of the state and the prime minister is the head of the government. The parliament consists of two houses. The Lok Sabha, that is called House of the People, and the Rajya Sabha, called as Council of States. What are the major political parties in India? Some major political parties in India include the Indian National Congress, that is INC, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, Communist Party of India, CPI, Communist Party of India Marxist, CPIM, and various regional parties such as AIADMK, TMC. What is the significance of the Indian Constitution? The Indian Constitution, adopted in 1950, is the supreme law of the land. It provides the framework for the functioning of the Indian government, guarantees fundamental rights to the citizens, and delineates the powers and responsibilities of different branches of government. What is the role of the President of India? The President of India is the ceremonial head of state and acts on the advice of the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. The President's powers include appointing the Prime Minister, dissolving the Lok Sabha, and granting pardons. What is the significance of the Parliament of India? The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body responsible for making laws, overseeing the government, and representing the interests of the people. It consists of the President and two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. How does the electoral system work in India? India follows a system of universal adult suffrage, where every citizen over the age of 18 has the right to vote. Elections are held at regular intervals to elect representatives to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and state legislative assemblies. What is the significance of regional political parties in India? Regional political parties play a crucial role in Indian politics by representing the interests of specific states or regions. They often hold significant sway in coalition governments at the national level and influence policy decisions related to regional issues. What is the importance of federalism in Indian politics? Federalism in India ensures a division of powers between the central government and the state governments, allowing for greater autonomy and representation at the regional level. It helps accommodate the diverse cultural, linguistic, and socio-economic realities of the country. How does the judiciary contribute to Indian democracy? The judiciary in India acts as a guardian of the Constitution, ensuring the protection of fundamental rights and the rule of law. It interprets laws, resolves disputes, and safeguards democratic principles by providing checks and balances on the executive and legislative branches of government. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.